Hello, teacher.
Hello, Laura.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, wait. My light is very bright. Okay. Oh, that's so light. Okay, here. Okay, Laura. Good evening. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, very good. How was the weather today in Vietnam?
It's so cold.
Is it winter now?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So October starts the winter in Vietnam.
Yes.
Oh, okay. That's good. So I think when it's very cold, it's very nice to sleep,
Yes.
right? So, but when it's winter in Vietnam, does it have a snow?
No.
So the temperature is cold only, but there is no snow.
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. All right, so let's begin our lesson for tonight. Laura, are you ready?
Yes.
Good. Okay, so now Laura, can you read the title of our lesson?
Our busy holiday.
Again,
Our busy holiday.
what's that word? This
What?
one. Oh, how do you say
Busy.
that word? No, that's not bossy. That is busy.
Busy.
Okay, very good. So again, how do you say that word?
Our busy holiday.
Oh, not bossy. One more time, please.
Um. Uh.
Be
What?
busy.
What? Busy.
Okay, one more time.
Our busy holiday.
Very good. You got it right. Our busy holidays. Okay, so first one, Laura. Listen and draw lines and then complete the sentences. Okay, so this is Alex Smile. He's a famous film star. What does he do? Okay, so what can you say about the first picture, Laura? What is he doing?
He is camping.
Climbing what?
Mountain.
Okay, very good. So he is climbing a mountain. How about on the second picture?
He is drawing.
Drawing or what's that?
I don't know.
He is painting the wall.
Oh.
Okay, next one,
Yeah.
number 3.
He is make a video.
Yes, very good. That's correct. He's making a video. And last one.
He is in the helicopter.
Okay, he is in the helicopter. Okay, now, so these are the correct answers, Laura.
Climb mountain.
Okay, climb mountains, paint, film a girl playing basketball, and last one is fly a helicopter. Okay, very good, Laura, because your answers are correct. Okay, so now let's see. Listen and draw lines, and then complete the sentences. So now, Laura, you can see here, name of the days, okay? So now, you
Yeah.
have to put a line on your correct answer, okay?
Okay.
Okay, now let's begin.
28A. Our busy holidays. Look at the pictures. What does Alex Smile do every week? Listen and look. There is one example.
On Mondays, Alex climbs mountains.
What? Every week?
Yes, and sometimes the mountains are very high and the weather is very cold.
Oh, okay.
Can you see the line from the word Monday? On Mondays, Alex climbs mountains. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
Alex loves being with his son, John, on Saturdays.
Do they do sport?
No, they always go to painting school.
I see. They paint pictures.
No, they're learning to paint walls.
2.
Does Alex have any more children?
Yes, his daughter's called Lucy. She plays basketball very well.
What, at school?
Yes, and Alex makes videos of the games she plays on Tuesdays.
3.
Alex is learning to fly.
Is he learning to fly planes?
No, helicopters. His wife, Mary, is his teacher.
When does he have lessons?
On Wednesdays.
I'm finished.
Okay. Now let's check your answers. So Saturday is, okay, correct. Next one, Tuesday is correct. And last one, Wednesday is also correct. Very good. So you've got 3 points in this part. Okay, now Laura, let's answer the following questions, okay? So, number 1, on blank, Alex climbs mountains and the weather is sometimes blank.
On Monday,
Okay, on Monday, and then the last one is?
Alex climbs mountain and the weather is sometimes cold.
Cold. Very good. Number 2?
Alex away playing world with his friend John.
And John
On world.
on Saturday.
Saturday.
Okay,
Day.
next one, number 3.
Alex sometimes reveal his
Who is Lucy?
children Lucy.
Who is Lucy?
Children.
Oh yeah, what do you call the girl children?
Girl children.
What do you call that? If a boy is son, how about the girl?
Girl was
What? Who is Lucy? You know the answer?
No.
Okay, the answer is daughter. Okay,
Lucy went to play basketball on
on
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Very good. Number 4.
Alex always has helicopter lesson with his he the
Who's Mary? So, John is the son. Lucy is the daughter. How about Mary? Who's Mary?
and
Okay, the answer is wife. Wife Mary on what day?
on Wednesday.
On Wednesday. Very good. Last one.
Friday is sitting too because Alex and his uncle
Alex and his uncle, what do they do together? What do they do?
play
Fly in a balloon.
basketball.
Yes, okay. Anyway, let's put an answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you got 6 points in this part. Okay, anyway, that's still a good score. Okay, now let's have part B. Answer the questions. Okay, number 1, Laura. Where do you go in the school holidays? It's your answer, okay? Don't worry. You put a check on your answer. Where do you go in the school holidays?
I don't know.
But why?
Because in holiday I'm in home.
Okay, just stay at home. Okay, maybe you can take letter C because that looks like a home also. Let's pretend that it's a house, okay? So number 2, what do you wear? A, t-shirt and trousers. B, what's that? Sleeveless and skirt. Or C, shorts and long sleeves or shirt. Oh, letter C. You like wearing letter C?
Yes.
Me too. I like wearing letter C. Very good. Number 3, who do you see on holidays? Who do you usually meet or see?
I can take 2 box.
Okay, no problem. My family and friends. Okay, that's a good answer. Okay, next one, let's have letter C. Choose a word from the box. Write the correct word next to numbers 1 to 5. All right, so now, Laura, you're going to read the story and you have to choose your answers from the box. Okay, let's begin.
Hello, I am Alice, doctor.
Daughter.
Mm,
Okay, so this is, okay, I will give this one as an example. Okay, continue reading.
Hello, I am Alice, Dr. Lucy. I am 10. My brother John is a year younger than I am.
Mhm.
In the school holiday, our parents away take use to its sitting play like to the lake or the beach. We often go sailing on our boat there. We love swimming, swimming
Okay, swimming.
and play in the water. We like fishing in the river
Mhm.
too, but we never catch any big fish. Our dog Jack away come with us. Sometimes
With us. Oh, that's with us.
we
With us.
tennis
Mhm.
tennis
Sometimes we,
um song
sometimes we song Jack's ball.
of tennis.
Oh, no, no, no. Oh, you read first.
Uh,
Sometimes we blank
Sometimes we check board and we find it.
it. Or what?
Hi,
Hi, very good.
check board and he tries to find it. We love doing that. Last year we took Jack on balloon and helicopter ride.
Right. Mhm.
When he was a puppy, Jack was really frightened
Frightened.
of flying, but now he isn't. We like watch movie on our DVD player and playing game
On.
on the internet, but he don't do those things in school holiday because we think it's more exciting to be outside that you
Mhm.
like doing in school holiday.
Okay, so now Laura, how about you? What do you like doing on school holidays?
I don't know.
Because you just stay at home, right?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay. Wait a minute, Laura. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, Laura, let's continue. Okay, take note. Okay, take note. Go sailing. When we are talking about sports or hobbies, we often use words like go sailing, go swimming, or go running. Next one. Love plus ing. We love swimming and playing in the water. Okay, so now let's continue. Write the correct words on the lines, then ask for questions. Okay, number 1, Laura. What is John doing here?
John is make a cake.
Okay, he's making or baking a cake. Very good. What is Lucy doing?
Lucy is look. Lucy is looking a cake. John.
Okay, so Lucy is looking at John's baking.
Cake.
Okay, very good. Oh, she's also eating a cake. All right, but we call it a cupcake because that's only a small piece. Okay, so now Laura, you can see here some words in the box. Okay, now you're going to choose your answers there. So
Okay.
example, make a cake, eat a cake. Next one.
Watch a video.
Watch a
video.
video.
Go shopping for clothes.
Okay, correct. Next one.
Listen to your favorite.
Listen to your favorite.
Band.
Band. Very good. Next.
From your best friend. Go for a long walk. Draw a picture.
And last one.
And share my plan.
Again.
Travel.
Okay. Travel by plane. Very good. Okay, so you got a total of 9 points. Very good, Laura. Next one. How often do you and what days do you? So how often do you? Okay, this is a question about how often do you do things. Like example, how often do you draw a picture? Okay, so how about you, Laura? How often do you draw a picture? Do you like drawing?
No.
I know, me too. I don't know how to draw. Anyway, how often do you draw a picture?
I don't know.
Okay, I think when you just have an activity at school?
Yes.
Okay, so next one. What days do you phone your best friend?
I don't phone my best friend.
You don't phone your best friend? Why? Huh?
Because
Because you see her in school.
Yes.
Okay, so your best friend is your classmate? Your best friend is your classmate?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, next one, Laura. Let's see. Play the game. Who, what, when, and where? Tell the name of a famous person or a cartoon character. Tell me something you do at the weekend. Okay, anyway, let's skip that one. Okay, so now, Laura, let's answer some questions here. It says here, number 1, where do you go on Mondays?
I go to school.
Okay, very good. You go to school. What clothes do you wear?
I wear a t-shirt.
A t-shirt. Okay. Who do you see?
My family and my friend.
Your family and your friends. What do you do? What do you do?
I'm play, learn,
You play and run?
play and learn.
Learn. Okay, you play and learn. Very good. Number 5. Do you like being inside or outside in the school holiday? Hmm?
No.
So you just like being inside the house, right?
Yes.
You just stay at home. Okay, anyway, that's the end of the first activity, Laura. So let's open one more. Okay, you wait for me. All right, can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, now let's have listening activity. All right, so now, Laura, it says here, part 1, listen and draw lines. There is one example. Okay, now, Laura, I'm going to play an audio file and you have to put a line on your answer, okay? All right,
Okay.
let's begin.
Part 1. Look at part 1. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, where's Peter? Can you see him?
He's wearing a blue t-shirt.
Is he cooking?
That's right. He's cooking sausages and eggs for breakfast.
I'm hungry.
See the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
Which girl's Daisy?
She's got a bowl of water.
What's she doing?
She's washing her face.
Oh, yes. Oh, that water's cold.
2.
What about Fred? What's he doing?
He's sleeping.
Where? I can't see him.
He's under that blanket.
Oh, yes. Very tired.
3.
Where's John?
He's sitting on the grass.
What's he doing?
He's looking at the map.
4.
Look at Sally.
Where is she?
She's standing up.
What's she got in her hand?
It's her toothbrush.
5.
Can you see Jill?
Yes, she's behind the chair.
What's she doing?
She's putting her towel on it. It's very wet.
Okay, are you finished?
Now listen to part 1 again.
Okay,
Yes.
now let's check the answers. Okay, lines should be drawn between number 1, Daisy and the girl washing her face. Okay, correct. Number 2, Fred and sleeping boy in the tent. Correct. John and the boy sitting on the grass looking at the map. Correct. Sally and the girl standing holding toothbrush. Okay, very good. Number 5, Jill and the girl putting towel on back of chair.
Oh.
Okay. Wait. Okay, you are wrong with number 5, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you got 4 points here. Okay, anyway, let's go to the next one. It says here, listen and write. There is one example. Okay, now Laura, take note of the spelling, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's begin again.
Part 2. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello. I work here in the library. Can I ask you some questions, please?
Yes, okay.
Thank you. Now, what's your name?
Sue Clark.
Is that C-L-A-R-K?
Yes.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1.
Now, how old are you, Sue?
I'm 12.
Sorry, how old?
12.
Okay, fine.
2.
And where do you live?
I live opposite the park.
What's the name of the street?
Hill Street.
Is that H-I-double-L?
Yes, that's right.
3.
Now, which day do you come to the library?
I can only come once a week, on Monday.
Not at the weekend?
No, I come on Monday after school.
4.
And how many library books do you read every week, Sue?
I read 7 books a week.
7? That's a lot.
Well, I love reading.
Okay.
5.
And last, what kind of books do you like best?
Oh, I don't know. That's difficult because I like a lot of different kinds of books.
Well, do you like books about animals or people?
The books I like best are about horses.
Oh, we've got a lot of books about horses here. Thank you, Sue.
Okay.
Now listen to part 2 again. 1.
Now, how old are you, Sue?
I'm 12.
Sorry, how old?
12.
Okay, fine.
Oh, you can
2.
change your answer, okay?
And where do you live?
I live opposite the park.
What's the name of the street?
Hill Street.
Is that Hill?
Yes, that's right.
Three.
Now, which day do you come to the library?
I can only come once a week, on Monday.
Not at the weekend?
No, I come on Monday after school.
And how many library books do you read every week, Sue?
I read 7 books a week.
7? That's a lot.
Well, I love reading.
Five.
And last, what kind of books do you like best?
Oh, I don't know. That's difficult because I like a lot of different kinds of books.
Well, do you like books about animals or people?
The books I like best are about horses.
Oh, we've got a lot of books about horses here. Thank you, Sue.
Okay, number 5. Books about what
That is the
animal?
end of part 2.
Horses.
Okay, are you write your answer?
I don't know, right?
Oh, your answer is horses, right?
Yes.
Oh, can you spell horses? I will tell you. H, whore. Oh, how do you spell whore?
Oh, that's
No, whore. Letter R. Okay, R. Put letter R. Yes, and then says. What's says?
said,
Says. S-E-S.
S-E-S.
Yes, S-E-S. Okay, now let's check the answers. Number 1, 12 years old. Number 2, Hill Street. Number 3, Monday. Number 4, 7. And number 5 is horses. Very good. You got a perfect score. Okay, next one, Laura. Part 3. What did John do last weekend? Listen and draw a line to the date to the correct picture. There is one example. Okay, again, Laura, you have to put a line to the correct answer.
Part 3. Look at the pictures. What did John do last week? Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, John. Where were you last week?
I went to see my cousins, Peter and Sally.
Did you enjoy that?
Yes. On Wednesday, we went to the forest on our bikes.
Did you have a picnic there?
Yes.
Can you see the line from the word Wednesday? On Wednesday, John went to the forest on his bike. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
Where did you go on Monday?
We went to the lake.
What did you do there?
We flew our kites. Mine went into the water.
Oh, dear.
2.
And what about Tuesday?
Tuesday. We rode to the village that day.
Did you go on your bikes again?
Yes. We went to the shop to buy some bread for our picnic.
3.
On Saturday, we went to the lake again.
That was nice.
And we sailed our toy boats.
Was it sunny that day?
Yes. Lots of people swam in the lake there.
4,
And on Sunday?
Let me think. Oh, yes. We went for a walk.
In the park?
No, we went to the forest.
Great.
And a beautiful bird flew over our heads.
5,
What about Thursday? Sorry, I mean Friday. Did you go to the forest again?
No, my uncle's got a boat and we went sailing in it.
Did you have a picnic that day too?
No, we took some sandwiches and had them on the boat.
That's nice.
Now listen to part 3 again.
Finish?
Yes.
Okay, let's check your answers. So number 1. So Friday is correct. Okay, there's no answer in Saturday.
Oh.
1 point. Tuesday is correct. Monday is correct. And Sunday is correct. Okay, so you got 4 points. You forgot to answer Saturday, Laura. Okay. Or maybe you overheard. Or you weren't able to hear it. Okay, anyway, let's have one more activity. All right, this is very easy, okay? Listen and tick the box. There is one example.
Part 4. Look at the pictures. Listen and look. There is one example. What did Sam do at school today?
Hello, Sam. Did you enjoy school today?
No, not very much.
Why not?
We all wrote stories.
Was it difficult?
Yes, I like reading stories, but I don't like writing them.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What's the matter with Jill?
What would you like to eat, Jill?
I'm not very hungry, Mum. I don't want any breakfast.
What's the matter? Have you got stomachache?
No, but I've got earache and I'm hot.
Well, you mustn't go outside today.
2. Which child is Ben?
Look at this photo of my birthday party. Can you find me?
Oh, Ben, that's difficult. You're all wearing party clothes. Are you the bat?
No, that's my friend John.
Are you the clown, then?
Yes, I am. And this rabbit is my sister.
3. What does John want for lunch?
Would you like some soup for lunch, John?
We had that yesterday. Can we have something different, please?
What about a pizza?
Oh, great. And can we have burgers and French fries for supper?
4.
Okay, now let's check. So number 1. What's the matter with Jill? Answer is A. Earache. It means her ears are aching. Number 2. Which child is Ben? Answer is letter C, correct. Number 3. What does John want for lunch? Answer is A. Okay, you got 1 point here. Okay, next one.
4. What does Jane want to take to Jim's house?
Do you want to come to my house after school, Jane?
Yes, but I must do my homework first. I can bring my new video. It's great.
Oh, good. We can watch that and then listen to my new CDs.
Okay, Jim.
5. What did Nick do at the weekend?
Did you go to the beach at the weekend, Nick?
No, we didn't, because it was cold and windy.
So, what did you do? Did you go to the cinema?
No, my friend Kim phoned and we went skating.
Okay, now, number 4. What does Jane want to Jim's house? Letter B is correct. Number 5. What did Nick do at the weekend? So the answer is letter A. Okay, so you got total of 3 points. Okay, anyway, Laurel, let's continue again on Friday, okay?
Goodbye, teacher.
All right, good night.
Goodbye.